How to hide your player name in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello and welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to hide your player name in Beach Buggy Racing 2, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First things first, open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, go ahead and tap on your name at the top left corner and you'll come to this profile section. From your profile section, tap on manage account at the bottom right, and on the next page, you'll see this player name shown option. Tap on it to hide your player name. Now the player name of others will be replaced as player. You'll not be able to see anyone's player name. You can always get back to showing the name of the player by tapping on the same button. So there you have it. That's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.